Dear students, good morning. Let's start with environmental movements in India. In today's small session, we are going to see what happened to the environment and what led to the movements that we see till date and how we are overcoming the situation. Dear students, now the environmental problems that we face. We are aware that environmental degradation is a serious problem at national and international level. What is environmental degradation? It is nothing but the quality of environment is going down due to various things that human beings are doing. For example, pollution. It can be cutting of trees, deterioration of ozone layer, etc. At the international level, several movements are working to stop the deterioration of the environment. Like you must have heard a lot of movements like plant trees. Even in India, there is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan where you have to stay in a clean and green environment, which is the motto of our national leader, which is Narendra Modi ji, right? So all these are the environmental problems and these are the counter solutions that are provided by us. This is a very beautiful picture which shows a clear picture of all the environmental problems that we are facing. We have to turn it around and make it a clean and green environment that you can see towards the other side of the picture. Now, let's see various movements to solve the environmental issues. What exactly caused these movements? In India, many movements are working on different aspects of environment. The environment movements are taking up issues like protection of biodiversity, like we have seen earlier that tigers were very on a verge of extinction in India and all over Asia. So what was happening that there was a movement where no hunting of tigers and preservation of this particular species was done. Similar way, then protecting of different sources of water, protection of forests like no cutting of trees, green belt, that is again planting of more trees, pollution of rivers, use of chemicals and their ill effects. So now chemicals that are used, so suppose if something happens in the environment or in a factory, if chemical is leaked, like the Bhopal gas tragedy, everybody died. There was a lot of people felt so sick and they all died. So all these are the effects of pollution of rivers or factories or all man-made things that are deteriorating the environment. And to counter all these, various movements were started. Now a few movements that we can see over here are, now let's see, the Chipko movement is a movement where in a village all the females stood against the trees and they did not allow the cutting of those trees. Then Narmada Bachao Andolan. Now this was basically to clean the particular river, and same goes with Save Ganga movement, wherein people used to visit Ganga. We all we all pray, we think Ganga, river Ganga is like our god, and we throw all the things of puja in that, like flowers or something like that, and which was creating a lot of water pollution, and the animals, the animal life, that is the marine life, was getting spoilt over there. So all these are various movements that are carried out to save trees or clean the water, river water and everything. Now what I want you to do is to find out such many more movements that are carried out in our nation. I also told you about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now you are going